Hello guys, today we are going to see the NERF allied retaliator. Okay, let's go for its attachment. Okay, this is the body of the allied retaliator. This is a muzzler for the allied retaliator. This is a stock for allied retaliator and a grip for the gun. And you will get 12 bullets of allied retaliator and a magazine. Let's see the full gun of the allied retaliator. Okay, this is the middle part of the allied retaliator, muzzler, a stock, and a gripper. Now let's fix the magazine inside this. First, slide this back and see there is a symbol to keep the magazine inside the gun. Okay, and reload. Okay, now the gun is so smooth for sliding. And you have here an accessory. If any bullet is struck inside, you can take it out and close and shoot it. Okay, now let's see how to take the magazine out from the NERF gun. First, here's a some button to pull this out. First, pull this, then can you see the magazine came out? Let's fix the bullet inside this. Now we have fixed the 12 bullets inside the magazine. Now let's go for the trial. Okay, now we are going to fix the cups and check is so powerful or not. Now we have built the cups. Now let's shoot the bullets to this and check it is powerful or not. Reload. Now we'll try this and check how powerful is it. See, now we are going to shoot the bullets. It's so powerful. And now let's see you in next video. Bye.